Let's say you've got an item with watches, but it hasn't sold yet. Instead of reducing the price on the listing, you can help sell the item by making the watches a private offer. The Send Offer to Buyers feature is available to all sellers. Here's how to use it. Go to the Listings tab on the Seller Hub. Select Active Listings. Look at Quick Filters. This module has easy access to promoted listings, offers to buyers, and best offer. You can send offers on one or multiple eligible items. Select the listing you want to send the offer on, then click Send Offer to Buyers. You will now see all the items that are eligible, and this column in the grid has Send Offer as the primary call to action. You can see how many interested buyers the offer will be sent to. Please note, you can only send one offer per listing. Click on the Send Offer call to action to send an offer on an individual item. Bear in mind, the offer price needs to be at least 5% lower than the price on the listing. Before making an offer, make sure that you have sufficient margins. Take into account any eBay fees, advertising fees, and any other costs such as postage. If your interested buyers found your listing because you promoted it in an ad campaign, advertising fees may still apply depending on how long it's been since they found your listing. The final value fee on transaction will be slightly lower because it's based on a percentage of the item price. You can include a message to the interested buyers which will clearly show that others have also received the offer. Buyers can opt out of these offers by changing the communication preferences. You'll see that by clicking Send Offer to Buyers, you commit to sell the item if a buyer accepts. There's no option for them to send you a counter offer. However, if you have Best Offer enabled on your listings, they could use that. There is also a new functionality for sellers to send offers for multiple items in bulk. This is an easy way to send discounted offer on multiple items. And the offer is sent. Your interested buyers now have 48 hours to respond. If no one buys the item, the offer expires. You can't then send any new offers. This is to avoid people receiving multiple offers from different sellers. If an offer is accepted, the other interested buyers will be notified that it's no longer available. Once you send your offers, the potential buyers will get a message like this. They can review the offer or go to the item page to check the item details. When a potential buyer clicks on Review Offer, they can directly accept your offer. Once a potential buyer accepts the offer, the next page is where the payment is processed. Therefore, you don't need to wait for the payment. By the end of 2019, we will enable potential buyers to respond with a counter offer, which will increase the chances of closing the purchase. And that's it. When someone buys, it will come through as a normal sale at the price you offered.
Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.